Hello everyone and welcome back to Make Money Efficiently, and I'm going to show you a way where you could earn some quick bucks by using this particular website. Now this is moneypantry.com, but don't go there. We're talking about something different today. We're going to see about Rapid Workers. Alright, so Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service and you have a lot of work there, small tasks where you could actually earn some quick bucks. Now go to Google and type in the reviews and you could see that rapidworkers.com is legit. It's a very legit platform to make money by doing small tasks. Now this is pretty easy, right? So just go straight to rapidworkers.com and fill in your information through the signing in process. Now the good thing about Rapid Workers is that there's so many countries. Now I've taken Argentina, but you could go on and on where it's accessible everywhere, right? So you've got different countries where you could choose from wherever you are from. But there are a few things with Rapid Workers and that you have to make sure that you follow those things, because that is really important, right? Now I'm just gonna fill in this information here so you could get an idea how this works, right? And it's pretty easy. There's nothing, there's no rocket science to it, and it's just a simple signing up process. Right, so once you're done, you just make sure you create a strong password, which is really recommended for every website like this. Right, so now let's take some different country. Let's take Belgium for example, and click on I'm not a robot, and you got to come back here and click onto the terms and conditions. But you got to make sure you don't use a VPN here, because this is very important for Rapid Workers, and not have multiple accounts with the same IP address, right? And try not to do other country jobs that you're not from. So click on create my account and we're going to see what's going to happen. All right, so now you could see that your account is created, and you would get a verification link to your email, and once that is done you could go ahead with this entire process. Alright, so here we are after the login process, and we could see that bang straight out of the box we could see there's so many job offers here. And look at the payments where you get you have options for international. You've got USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and a lot of jobs in the US, and then plus you've got jobs in India as well. Now this is the amount you could earn, right? So if you want to go for an international job, the good thing is they also show you the duration of the job. So in 3 minutes you could actually make $1. That's a quick dollar here, right? But you need to qualify for these particular jobs. Now let's say you are from Brazil, and there's a 5-minute task where you get 61 cents. Let's say you're from India, you get around 60 cents for a 3-minute task. So when you calculate that currency, when you transfer the US dollars into your currency, you could probably get more, right? So look at this, there's so many small tasks here, and they pay you around like 25, 35, and it goes on 20 cents, 60 cents. There's some that has $1.29, right? So there's a lot of things going on this website where you can easily make some quick bucks, right? But what we need to do is we need to come back here to payment, which is most important. And we click on, let's scroll down and click on $2, and bang, here you go. It brings you $2 tasks, and this is what it is, right? You've got surveys, you've got some few things going on, and apart from all that I've seen, this is really a legit site. So it's pretty easy where you guys could make some really good money really fast. Right now, if you're really looking at time and you want to do something that's really fast, like if you want to slow down your work, you could just go to 3 minutes and would show you 3-minute task. Now let's check $5, and unfortunately there's no tasks for $5, but let's increase the time amount, but still there's nothing, right? But who cares? You've got tasks which is really small, and it's pretty easy, right? So you click on available jobs, and that's what you need to do, and where you get the entire list of things, right? Now I've not tried it out, but you've got something called as most paying. When you click on most paying, you could see that that will probably bring up the highest paying jobs. Now check this out. Now this is an Upstox DMAT account, so you need to download and install and sign up for free, plus send them a screenshot, and this is only for India. And look at the amount you get here, $5. So that's a lot of money, right? And it's just 3 minutes or 10 minutes, and earning $5 a minute. I'm sure in India it's if you transfer it, it could be a bit more. So that's it. Let's say if you're from Brazil, you have some small stuff to do here, and it's written in different language, and that's all you get, around $2.70. So it's pretty easy. This is a really good website, and as the name sums it all, it's Rapid Workers. It's really fast way of making money. So you go to tasks, I finished, and it will show you your transaction history and how many tasks you have finished. And you have something called as My Campaigns, which is running, which is finished, and which is pending. You've got stuff like that, and plus you go to your account and then your deposit. But again, they only take PayPal deposits. So even if you want to sign up for Rapid Workers, you need to have a PayPal address, which I'm pretty sure is easy, and you could create that for free. And you can go ahead and click on withdraw if you really want to withdraw. So here you have it. We only do PayPal, so don't message us for something else. So make sure you have a PayPal account before, or you could even create that after. And the good thing is they have a bit of tutorials here which would also help you in small things and taking up small tasks, so you could go to that as well. Right, so I hope this video was really helpful. Now try to go ahead and create an account in Rapid Workers where you can actually take a few tasks and earn some quick bucks. Now even if you make $1 a day, it's like $30 a month, right? So go ahead guys, feel free to use this website, and I hope you all are staying safe, and I would see you all once again in the next video.